people. Hi people. This is me, Mason, and this is my brother down here, Cardi Air. Say hi, Cardi.
Hi.
No, over here. No, over here. No, over here. Say hi
Hi.
now. Hi. Now, gun. Let's cook. How you make a soup carrot? Carrot. Okay. Hot.
It's the Mickey Mouse Sleeping Minnie. Welcome to our clubhouse.
Guys, he don't know how to make a soup carrot, but I'm gonna help him. Need help? How you make a soup carrot? Here, look. You need this. Look. You need this. Hey, give me the carrot. You need this. And you find carrot, and mix it up. So, we timed that. Mix it up. Mix it up. Okay, mix it up. Okay, just mix it up. Mix it up. And taste it. Look. Now taste it. That good, right? Oh no, sorry. Okay. Now we did it. Oh my god. Okay, good job. What are you making? What? What you making? Oh! We timed that. Oh, I don't know what he's making because. Oh, he's making eggs. He's making eggs. Carrot, pineapple, and broccoli. You're making eggs, pineapple, broccoli, and carrot. And this how you make sorry. We timed that. I'm coming back. I go in the bathroom. I go in the bathroom, okay? Now go. I'm coming back, guys. I'm going in the bathroom, okay?
And the mystery mouse tool. That's a surprise tool that will help us later. Tools is going to bring us our mouse tools when we need them. Now let's go find the golden heart. Good luck, Mickey. And remember, we need to find the heart. We never must give up. We all have to play.
I got, guys. You make me some food? Okay. Let me get some people. Okay. Everybody, I'm gonna get some people. Okay, get some people.
For the glass fridge. How about you make the That's it. Look to the right. That's a wood.
We're not leaving yet, okay?
On the right.
Okay. Wait. We're not leaving yet, okay?
Boy, you really are smart. Come on. Now remember, we never must give up. To wake Minnie up.
No, you can't see.
What do you know?
You want to do this?
Donald Duck. What's the matter, pal?
Oh. Apple. Yeah, you can't see. The people can't see them. Right? Wait, I need to do. Oh! Get up here and spread the see them. Wait,
Oh, gee. We gotta figure out a way to get
Stop
across this
crying.
bridge, or we'll never find the golden hat. Yep, we need to bring it back so we can.
Oh!
To help us cross this
Got that?
bridge.
Wait, we got this, okay? Sorry because my brother crying. Sorry because my brother crying.
Safety scissors. Ooh, they're safe. A red carpet. I like red. Ooh, a
Let me
red
cut the
blanket.
carrot.
Or the mystery musketeer. Which musketeer will help us cross the slippery bridge?
Ah! You done cooking? Okay.
We can walk on the red
Now,
carpet.
let's cook something else.
Clears
What do you want to cook? Do you want to cook? When you cook breakfast. Okay, we're gonna cook breakfast. We got strawberry. Wait, no. Breakfast. We got eggs and. People, comment below what is this? I done got this. Are you making food? Here. You can't fit it? Just do this, look. Do this.
give up. We all have to believe.
You see?
To wake Minnie up. To wake Minnie up.
We timed that.
That's all right, pal.
Where you fellas off to?
Play it and wake up the Minnie.
Good.
Why are we whispering?
Just put a baby bear to sleep. I'll go with you, but we gotta tip
Okay.
so we don't wake up the baby bear.
Okay, Goof. All right. Stand up.
You cooking?
Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe.
I got these things.
The baby bear's waking up. We gotta put the baby bear to sleep.
Good. You can fit it? Oh! You see? What's he trying to do? What you trying to do? Pick these? Okay.
We better use one of those maskadoodles. I know.
Everybody, do you know what we're watching? It look like a mouse. Yes. Yeah. Do you know what we are watching? We're watching a mouse with red pants and white pants and Lilo shoes. Calm down low. What is it?
The mystery
Okay, don't tell them. Okay?
What can we use to put the baby bear back to sleep?
Okay? Don't you tell them, okay?
Work.
They're trying to get it,
Red
okay?
wagon. Oh, this means it's time.
One.
Mystery
Count.
basket.
2, 3, 4, 5. If you said Mickey Mouse, you right. Look, everybody. You're watching Mickey Mouse. Now we're watching Mickey Mouse.